Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Coach Carol and today I will be showing you through some of the actions that the Vice President of Education will need to take to master the agenda setting. As you can see, I'm here in King Arthur's Playground, which, as you realise, is a fictitious club, of course. And I'm already logged in as the VPE, who is Minnie. I want to go to King Arthur's Playground here in the left-hand link to ensure that I'm looking at the next meeting page. And as always, if you have recently held a meeting and the records are not yet kept, you will need to do this by clicking yes here. Waiting for that to show up, and then it will show us what happened at the last meeting in February. And we would fill that in and close it. I will just close it today and come back later, as that's not the feature of today's presentation. What we do want to do is have a look at the agenda setting itself. So I'm going to create a new meeting by going to the Meetings tab on the menu and selecting Create Meeting. Remember, this is only available if you are the VPE of your club. We'll set the date for the next meeting in 2015, and we will make that for that's a bit too far in advance. Let me make that for March the 25th. We usually start at 1900, and we can select the venue here from those that we've already put in place. So this time the meeting is going to be held at the Disney World Resort. It automatically gives you 84 as the meeting number, and here is where you set the theme. You can put anything you like in there, and of course it's all changeable even when the agenda has been created. Here is where we select the template for this particular meeting agenda. And I want to choose the 2015 preferred template for 2 speakers and an educational. You can see that there are many other choices in here, and we can show you in a little while how you create your own. The meeting manager for this meeting will be Snow White, so we select her name from the list of members. You can add other things in the message body. This will show up on the agenda and visible to all members. You would then submit. It gives you the option to go back and view your event, add another one, or return to the calendar. For now, I want to view the event that I've just created for the 25th of March 2015. As you can see, it has selected the template that I required, allowing for 2 speakers, 1 and 2, and also for an educational. This is important if you want to be able to add an educational to a meeting agenda. It needs to be set in there first. At this point, we can then go ahead and assign, or we may be ready to move on and create another one. For the moment, we just want to look through it and make sure it is in the shape that we want it. And you'll notice that at the moment it's set for 2 hours, which is our usual minute duration for our meeting. The word of the day is not yet chosen, and you might be leaving that up to your grammarian. But if you do want to add it here, you can use the plus sign here, and select the word of the day or your own. Clicking OK will put that word of the day into your agenda, and you can have a quick look at how that's going to appear when you print it out. We do that by clicking on Agenda. You'll notice that the word of the day is appearing, and also our little note that we put into the text for the top of the meeting. And in this one you'll see that the times have been selected to show on the agenda to give the timer a clue as to how long to time each speaker. To go back, you would simply click on your original page and you're done. So that's it for this session. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please come back for more and I'll show you how to work smartly with your agendas.